Hi guys, my name's Kate. I'm the editor of Knit Now magazine and I'm here today to show you a little look inside our latest issue, which is issue 94. It's this one here. It goes on sale today, Thursday the 4th of October, and as a little special treat, stay to the end of this video and we'll give you some details about an exclusive giveaway. Okay, so let's take a look inside this issue, which is issue 94. We'll start with the gifts that come with this issue. You actually get 3, starting with this big bumper yarn kit, which comes with loads and loads of pattern options to make things. You've got these super cute little decorations by Amanda Berry. There's lots of other options for decorating your tree. There's little baby knits. There's a hat there that I designed. Loads and loads to choose from. Those all come in your little festive make supplement here. We've also got a really exciting exclusive. We've got these Mr. Men stockings, which you can knit and you can personalize because we've got a complete alphabet chart set as well. So uppercase and lowercase. So you can add your own or your child or your grandchild name to their stocking. So let's get into the mag itself. Our gorgeous cover garment this time is by Jacinta Bowie. I love this one. It's super, super cute. We've shot it on like 3 different people and it looks great on all of them. So let's get inside. As usual with Knit Now, there's loads of inspiration, starting with our news pages so you can catch up on what's new in knitting. We've got hints and tips from our team of experts, a roundup of the best new books. This is our cover garment, like I just mentioned. So we've got it on the cover on Mika and 2 other models here, including Craig, who is our colleague. We're a little bit excited to see him in the magazine. Adorable little baby cardigan, which is this one here, which is knitted in a lovely British yarn from Home Farm Wensleydales. Great chunky knit here if you're pushed for time at Christmas. Our colleague Jenny went down to the Rowan 40th birthday party, so she's given us an insider's view there. And to go with that, we've brought you one of Rowan's Ruby patterns from this year. Fab subscription offer again this time. Huge bundle of yarn and patterns, so you can knit 2 whole jumpers, and there's enough yarn to knit even the biggest size, so we'll link all the details to that. Part 11 of our knit along, so this is nearly finished now. Next issue you'll see the finished blanket. Really, really pretty pattern from Drops, and what you might not know is, although Drops patterns are available online, usually the stitch patterns are just charts like these, but we include written instructions for those charts as well. So if you prefer to work from written instructions rather than charts, you can pick up the Drops patterns in Knit Now. These are our festive weekend wonders, so some quick little knits from our designers here. I love this little snowman from Sachi. This is the hat that I was wearing just now. It's here in Signet yarn. It's really, really brilliant for colour work, this yarn. And one last quick one is the poinsettia mitts, which are really, really pretty pattern. We've rounded up some of our favourite patterns of the month here. We chatted to blogger Penny Jenkins. Gorgeous cardigan here. This is the back of that cardigan, and as you'll see, all of our original garments come in a huge size range. This is 6 to 36, that's UK sizes, and again we include both the charts and the written instructions for those cables. A little bit of shopping inspiration, more quick knits. We had a chat with Peak District Yarns to find out what happens in their studio as part of our Indie Focus feature. And also as part of our Indie Focus feature, we've got a really beautiful shawl by Sue Gleave, which is knitted in Luxury Yarns Legero. This is a favourite of mine this issue, the Free Spirit jumper by Nancy van der Wert. Again, that huge size range with a little bit of step-by-step techniques to help you along. Fab picks of yarns. This is, a couple of you have noticed that this is a pattern that we've published before. This was way back in issue 1, which unfortunately is no longer available for quite a long time, and it's never been available in digital edition. So we brought this one back for Christmas because it's still one of my all-time favorites. A little reminder about our Heart to Heart campaign. It's your opportunity to join the conversation about well-being. There's loads of information about that on our website. Fab bumper autumn giveaway, loads of things to win here. News from our local knitting communities and our listing of local shops. Don't forget to take a look and see if there's someone close to you. This is our review, where we send yarns to a group of real knitters and get their opinions on them. And the last pattern is these super cute unicorn socks, which are perfect for kids at Christmas. Of course, every issue we have our basics. This is the next issue coming up. Don't miss this one. We are going, if you think this is Christmassy, we are going all out Christmas in issue 95, including a Shaun the Sheep jumper pattern. Very excited. My colleague Kaylee gave us a little roundup of a workshop that she went to at Black Sheep. And that is issue 94. Well, thanks for sticking with us, guys. I hope you saw something you liked inside this issue. If you did, you can pop out and buy it right now. If you're in the UK, it's in shops all over the UK. You can go to seymour.co.uk and click on the store finder and pop in your postcode, and it'll come up with your local store. You can also go to moremags.com to order a copy online, or if you want to be in with the chance of winning a copy, just click the link, which we will put above or below depending on what platform you're watching this on, and you'll be entered into a draw to win a copy of the magazine. All right, well, I'll see you again next time, and happy knitting.